A Sarpy County judge weighs whether this missing La Vista child should be declared dead. Good evening, I'm Rob McCartney.
I'm Julie Cornell. Ryan Larson hasn't been seen since he walked away from his elementary school. That was in May of 2021. His mother filed a petition to get a death certificate for Ryan.
Now, KETV News Watch 7's Abby Peterson was in the courtroom today as the judge hears the case and brings us the arguments live tonight. Abby?
Nebraska state law says it must be 5 years before declaring someone legally dead, but Tammy Larson's attorneys say they can't wait that long. They need to hold the Papillion-La Vista School District responsible for not preventing Ryan from walking out of school. 21 months after Ryan Larson seemingly vanished, his mother and two sisters walked into a Sarpy County courtroom hoping to declare the boy deceased. There were no cameras allowed in court after the Larson family's attorney spoke about the case.
This has been agonizing for the family on a daily basis.
In court, to try to presume Larson dead, attorneys argued that Ryan was 11 and it's dangerous for any child to be out alone, but especially in his circumstances. His mother, Tammy, testified Ryan has ADHD, epilepsy, Tourette's, and autism. Attorneys say he was in an enhanced state of danger being alone. Now he says it's time for closure. That's why they're asking the judge to rule Ryan deceased.
Law enforcement has done its very best to do everything they can to find Ryan over the past 21 months, and that hasn't happened.
La Vista Police Chief Bob Lawson was subpoenaed to testify in court Tuesday, but filed to quash it or rescind it. It would have forced him to testify about Larson. In court, the family attorneys say they spoke with Lawson and withdrew the request. Attorney Sean Conway says he believes the court ruling will not impact the investigation.
In order for the Larson family to pursue their legal rights against the school district, for the negligence of the school district, we think it's a necessary step to go through this proceeding.
Conway was asked if there's a statute of limitations for when they can take action against the school. He says they believe so. That's why they're doing this now. When asked if this means the family is giving up hope, he says this.
I think they're always going to hold out hope that Ryan will be found and that he's safe. But this family needs closure.
Again, a judge did not make her decision today, but she will release her ruling at a later date. Reporting live, Abby Peterson, KETV News Watch 7.
All right, Abby, thanks. Now, May will mark 2 years since Ryan disappeared when he was 11 years old. Here's the timeline. Ryan leaves his school, La Vista West Elementary, around 11:45 the morning of May 17th. A neighbor spots him around 1:30 p.m. at the Southfield apartment complex where he lived with his mom and older sister. 2 days later, dive teams and police dogs begin searching Walnut Creek Lake, where they say Ryan wandered in the past. A cadaver dog detects human decay, but police don't know if it's Ryan's scent. Searchers go back out a year later to use underwater drones and special sonar equipment, but there's still no sign of Ryan. Then in January, his mother files a petition asking for her son to be declared dead. La Vista Police Chief Bob Lawson tells KETV News Watch 7 it does not change their search, and Ryan's disappearance is still an active investigation. Now, you can find this timeline and our extensive coverage by going to KETV.com.